क्लास फिफ्थ। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एसएसटी का चैप्टर नंबर 6, तुंद्रा, द पोलर रीजन। द पोलर रीजन लाई बियॉन्ड 66.5 degree latitude in the northern and southern hemisphere up to the poles of the earth. These are coldest desert. The North Pole lies in the Arctic Ocean while the South Pole lies in Antarctic Ocean. दो तरह के जो ओशन है, समुद्र है, नंबर 1 आर्कटिक, नंबर 2 अंटार्कटिक। और यह जो रीजन है, तुंद्रा जो रीजन है, वह कोल्डेस्ट डेजर्ट यानी ठंडे रेगिस्तानी एरिया है। और यह दो तरह के हेमिस्फीयर बनाती है। 66.5 डिग्री लेटीट्यूड इन द नॉर्थर्न, उत्तर में 66.5% एंड साउथर्न में poles in the earth. The polar region comprises of the northern Europe, Siberia, Greenland, northernmost part of North America and some places in the southern hemisphere. The tundra region are located in northern hemisphere, which support vegetation in summer alone, and some tundra-like areas are also located in the southern hemisphere. The most distinctive features of the tundra is a layer of permanently frozen called the permafrost. तुंद्रा जो है, उसकी जो लहर है, उसकी जो सतह है, वह बर्फ से जमी हुई है। परमानेंटली फ्रोजन कॉल्ड द परमाफ्रोस्ट, जिसको हम परमाफ्रोस्ट के नाम से जानते हैं। नॉर्थर्न अमेरिका, नॉर्थर्न अलास्का, कनाडा, ग्रीनलैंड, नॉर्थर्न यूरोप, स्कैंडिनावियन countries of Norway, Sweden, Finland and Iceland, Northern Asia and Siberia of Northern Russia are the major tundra region of the world. ये जो शहर है, ये जो नगर है, वो जो है, ये जो कंट्रीज़ है, वह तुंद्रा रीजन यानी तुंद्रा देशों के रूप में यानी ठंडे प्रदेशों के रूप में माने जाते हैं। क्लाइमेट, यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है बहुत ही ठंडा रेगिस्तानी एरिया है, और यहाँ का क्लाइमेट जो है उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। द तुंद्रा रीजन आर द वर्ल्ड्स कोल्डेस्ट रीजन एंड द ड्राइएस्ट एज वेल। विश्व का सबसे ठंडा जो देश है, ठंडा जो क्लाइमेट है, वह इस क्षेत्र का है, सूखा और ठंडा। यहाँ का एरिया जो है बहुत ही सूखा और ठंडा है। द एवरेज एनुअल टेम्परेचर इज़ -28 डिग्री सेल्सियस ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, यानी यहाँ का जो तापमान है वह सर्दी के मौसम में, ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स यानी सर्दी के मौसम में -20 डिग्री सेल्सियस से नीचे गिर जाता है। इट में ड्रॉप डाउन टू एज 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस। देयर आर मेनली 2 सीजन्स, विंटर एंड समर, स्प्रिंग एंड ऑटमन exist for a very short period between summer and winter. The summer casts for 3 months and the sun shines 24 hours. It hardly sets during the season, thus there is continued daylight even at midnight. Therefore, these regions are called the land of the midnight sun. Winter are extremely long for 9 months around. As the sun rises above the horizon, there is no daylight throughout the winters and the sun is not seen. The weather becomes the coldest, very cold, winds blowing violently and cause heavy snowfall. These are like snowstorms which are called blizzard. Very thick layer of snow are formed called ice cap. These ice caps sometimes break off into enormous piece of the ice called iceberg. These iceberg looks like hills floating in water. These icebergs are dangerous for the ship sailing in the ocean. The summer temperature of the Scandinavian tundra average about -8 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is scanty i.e. about 50 centimeter in a year. वेजिटेशन यहाँ वनस्पति क्या होती है? टुंड्रा रीजन आर ऑलमोस्ट ट्रीसलेस बैरन लैंड, यहाँ पेड़ रहित जो जमीन है. द फ्रोजन ग्राउंड प्रिवेंट प्लांट्स विथ डीप रूट्स अबाउ 1700 different species of plants and that grows here are mostly shrubs, sedges, mosses, grasses and lichens. During the short summers when the topsoil layer melts, it allows to grow and replenish small flowering plants like lilies, poppies, buttercups and violets spring up. Willow about 8 centimeter high grow on some parts. Wildlife. Fur-bearing animals like reindeer, polar bears, white fox, musk oxen, husky, walrusy, Arctic hares and blackflies and who can withstand the extreme cold are found in tundra regions. Large animals protect themselves by installations of fat small animal like Arctic squirrel survive by burrowing and liberating netting during winter. Aquatic animals comprise huge whales, squills, cod and salmon fish. These animals of the polar region either have a thick fur on their skin or a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin which protect them from severe cold. Huskies and reindeer are used by people for pulling sledges. Reindeer are very important for the people of the tundra region because their milk, meat and skin and bones are used by them. Human settlement. मानवीय व्यवस्थीकरण. In 1980 980 AD, people had settled in the polar region of the northern hemisphere. Vikings, the mighty warriors from Norway, created the first settlement in Greenland. Greenland is a part of Denmark, which is the world's largest island. Eskimos of North America are Greenland, Lapps and Finnish of Finland and Siberian are important inhabitants of the tundra lowlands. Greenland. Greenland is a part of Denmark that lies between the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean with an areas about 200 2001 21,660 100 8,060 square kilometer. Its capital city is Nuuk, Nuuk, formerly known as Gotthard. The Greenland Sea is to its east and Labrador Sea is to its south. The Arctic Ocean is to its north and the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait to its west. Separate from the northern Iceland of Canada, about 80% of the country's land surface is covered by the ice sheet. Natives of the country, the Eskimos. The native people of Greenland, the mainly Inuits or Eskimos, however, most of them have mixed with a fat body. They have short height with a fat body. They have narrow black eyes and yellow skin. Eskimos wear special clothes with a hood to cover their head. Their special coats are called parka, made of seal skin. Danish is their official language. English is also widely spoken. Fishing, hunting and mining are the main occupation of the people. Lifestyle यानी जीवन प्रणाली, जीवन शैली. Greenlands mainly depend on animals for food, as agriculture is 99% impossible and possible on 1% of the total land area. Potatoes are grown in summers. People eat food with rich fat contents in order to combat the cold climate conditions. That hunt with a weapon called harpoon. The Eskimos use almost every part of the animals hunted. Their skin is used for making clothes, topping boats. The blubber is used as a fuel. The bones are used to make harpoons, heads, and their tendons are used to make thread in winter season. Eskimos make igloo that are special houses made of blocks of the ice cemented together with snow. It has only one door which is very low. People cover its floor with animal skin during summer season. They live in tropics. ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड इकोनॉमिक यानी यहाँ की यातायात और आर्थिक व्यवस्था कैसी है. देयर आर नो रोड्स, यहाँ कोई रोड नहीं है, सड़क नहीं है. शिपिंग एंड एयर सर्विसेज आर द मेन मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जहाज और हवा द्वारा जो है सेवाएं दी जाती है. एस्किमोज यूज क्या स्मॉल बोट्स कवर्ड विद सील स्किन फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड hunting sea animals. The big boat called hummock is used to carry women and children. Wheelless sledges pulled by reindeers and huskies are also for the purposes. Greenland has deposit of minerals like copper, lead, zinc, platinum and uranium. Zinc and lead are the main ores mined. The main economic of the country is based on fishing, fish export and mining. Moderate lifestyle of Greenlanders. Modern lifestyle of Greenlanders. The lifestyle of Eskimos has changed in the past few years. They live in the permanent house with electricity. They wear modern clothes and consume tinned food and milk imported from other parts of the world. They use rifles instead of harpoons. Kayak and unaxes are replaced with motorboats. Fur farms have been established to breed animals. The Eskimos have improved animals. The Eskimos have improved education, housing and health care facilities. They have learned different arts like carpenting, metalwork, shipbuilding, food processing, mining, etc. Holstenberg is a large port city. Kangerlussuaq Airport is the major airport. Air Greenland operates the domestic flights. Better air facilities connect Greenland to the cities of Europe and North America. Greenlands are peace-loving people. They live very and harsh life but are still very loving and carefully. इस तरह तुंद्रा रीजन क्षेत्रों का जो जीवन है वो बहुत ही कठोर, बहुत ही ठंडा और डेजर्ट यानी रेगिस्तान में रहने जैसा है और रेगिस्तानी एरिया ही है और यहाँ जीवन बहुत कठिन है. यहाँ का जो लाइफ स्टाइल है वो बहुत ही अपने आप में एक अनूठा है. यहाँ का जो वेजिटेशन है वह भी यहाँ खेत वगैरह नहीं होते हैं. ओनली वाटर और पानी और जो है पानी में उगी हुई चीज़ें वस्तुएं ही काम में ली जाती है. और इस तरह ये चैप्टर यहीं फिनिश हुआ. अब इसका बुक पार्ट आपको सेंड कर रही हूँ PDF, इसको देखकर आपको इसमें बुक में फिल करना है. टिक राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स वगैरह यहाँ तक आपको बुक पार्ट में फिल करना है. और उसके बाद ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, वो आपको नोटबुक में करने हैं. वर्ड मीनिंग आपको नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. और ये चैप्टर यहीं कंप्लीट हुआ. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.